Why is the green tea shot the most lied about drink in the world?
Because it got no tea.
Intro. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy Kareem.
And we're finishing strong with our 30-day, 30 video challenge.
And this is week 4. So you know what that means. It's whiskey.
And for today, we're making a very popular drink, the green tea shot.
So, why is it called a green tea shot if it has no green tea? Sounds like a lie to me.
Let's try it out. So for today's shot, you're going to need a couple simple ingredients. First off, you're going to need a whiskey. A lot of people go Irish. We're going to go with Scottish today. A very popular one is Jameson. It's used all over the place. But we're actually going to be using Isle of Skye. So make sure you check out our video. Link up here below so you can check out our review on Isle of Skye. You're also going to need some Peach Schnapps, some sweet and sour mix, and either 7-Up or Sprite. So let's make the shot. So first thing you're going to grab, of course, is your shakers. And you're going to make sure you put some ice in there. Let me just grab the ice. So a lot of people like to build the drink inside the shaker. I like to build it with the ice already in there. It may dilute it just a little more, but I like a cold drink. Make sure you look in the description down below for the recipe to make this for one person. I'm going to be building this shot for 2 people. So first thing we do, we take our Isle of Skye and we're going to put 2 ounces. Actually, we're going to put 1 full ounce because it's going to be half an ounce per person. So 1 full ounce of your Isle of Skye. I still think that's really cool when it actually works because sometimes it doesn't want to work. Then you're going to get yourself some sweet and sour mix. Now, we just didn't have the time to make our own sweet and sour mix. Let us know down in the comments down below if you want us to make a video on a sweet and sour mix. For today, I'm just going to buy a store-bought sweet and sour mix. You know, get those chemicals in there. We're going to take 1 ounce of the sweet and sour mix. And whoop, magically appears. So you're going to take 1 ounce of your peach schnapps. Remember, that's half an ounce per person. And last but not least, grab either your 7-Up or Sprite or some kind of lemon lime soda. And this part's going to be a little controversial, I think, because normally you don't shake a carbonated drink. But I'm going to shake it today. So take an ounce of that.
Fumble!
I don't know my own strength. And I wish I could say that was unique. I'm always doing stuff like that.
Yeah, it's right on the floor.
It's like right by my feet. I can't even see it. But the show must go on. So, lock it up and shake it. I think as I was shaking, parts of the liquid was actually flying out everywhere. So there's like spray all over here. I don't think I locked it up hard enough. Grab your shot glasses and your strainer. We're actually going to double strain this because, you know, some of the ice chips are going to be flying around everywhere and we don't want them in our drink. So let's double strain it. It's all right. Pour it a little more. Looks like there's a little more in here. No big deal.
We could save that for later.
And here I have our green tea shots. Let's try them out. So, Kareem, you ever had a green tea shot?
No, I have not.
Ooh, do your virgins this one?
Yes.
Let's pop his cherry. Let's try this out.
Cheers.
Cheers. Are we doing the sniff test?
Smells very fruity.
Little, I was going to say floral, but you're right. It does smell fruity. It smells like the peach.
Mm.
All right, let's shoot it. Cheers. So the color of the shot looked green. So it looked like reminiscent of actual green tea when you let it soak for a little while.
Okay.
Okay. Now, being that we took the shot and it's your first time taking it,
Mhm.
what do you think of the shot?
It's refreshing. Very refreshing. It's like taking a shot of lemonade on a hot day.
Ooh. Do you can see why it's kind of a popular drink?
Yes. But I'm still not getting green tea.
I don't know what to say to that. I don't necessarily think it's for the flavor, more for the way it looks.
Okay. I could get that.
Unless, you know how there's some green tea is like a Japanese green tea that has a very strong flavor to it, doesn't necessarily taste like green tea.
Okay.
I could be lying. I'm not a tea aficionado, so
maybe like a, like a Bigelow tea or something like that. Bigelow green tea.
if anybody knows why they call it a green tea shot other than the color, let us know down in the comment below. So, Brew Broz scale 1 to 5, Kareem, what do you give the green tea shot?
I'm going to give it a 3.6.
Ooh, 3.6. Probably not Kareem's favorite one because of the score.
Yeah. Well, but it's really good.
You think this will taste good as a cocktail?
Maybe.
You ever had a green tea cocktail? I never have.
Maybe I actually have green tea.
Let us know down in the comments below if you've had the green tea shot and what you think of it.
Make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified on what we're going to be making next. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe
For all future videos. And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
Is the green tea shot the most light about drink in the world?
Thumbs
out of line.
Yeah.
It's like another earthquake. I remember that earthquake.
Mm-hmm.
That was cool. And for today, we're making a
Fumble.
I don't know my own strength. I wonder how different it would be if we used fresh. Oh, what the hell is that? Sweet and sour versus the candy stuff. But see, it is a little greenish in color.
Well, it does. It's reminiscent of like a green tea, like a lightly brewed green tea.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have a strong green tea flavor, but I could get like a subtle hint of it. That's why they call it green tea shot. Okay. Another?
Sure.
Cut.